Hello, welcome back. I want to show you now how to do the linear regression using Stata. That's one of the most basic things you can do in econometrics when you're analyzing data, but that's something that Stata does well, and let me show you how to do it using some example data sets that they have. They have example data sets installed that come with Stata, and I'm going to use this one here, NLS W88. Use. As you click it, it brings here the variables just for you to take a look. It brings information about women, age, race, if they're married, if they have a college degree, where they live in the South or outside of the South. In our case, I'm going to build a linear regression using the dependent variable as wage, which is by this database defined as the hourly wage. And let's suppose that I want to define which variables are important to define the wage. And then I'm going to use independent variables, the other ones that try to explain the wage as a dependent variable. So let's see. Let's suppose that occupation is relevant. I'm trying to test, right? Let's suppose that I have no idea and I'm trying to test if the industry, total experience, tenure, which is the time that this person spent at that specific job, and race, for example. Then let's see which of those variables have some sort of influence on wage. And then I click OK. Considering the p-value, let's assume that 0.05, anything below 0.05 is relevant, right? So tenure is not important, and total experience is relevant, number of hours is relevant, grade and the constant is also relevant. So what can we understand from this? That the total experience, as it is measured in years, so for each extra year that the person works on the same job, she's expected to earn 25 cents of dollar per hour more. And the number of usual hours worked, the more hours, 4 cents, almost 5 cents. And grade, as we can check that grade means if the person has completed the current grade. So if the person has a grade, she's expected to have 64 cents extra per dollar earned every hour if she's got a grade. That's the interpretation of the results. If you want to have a clear understanding of it, you can just copy here, check it on your preferred AI tool. And if you want to use this text, these things I said, if you want to write them down, the artificial intelligence brings it very well explained. So grade has a significant effect, 64 cents per dollar per hour, total experience, number of hours worked, and tenure not significant. That's what we can understand from this database. I believe that this database is not real. It's probably just an example, made up example, but that's how you do linear regression. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and see you at our next videos.